Hello. Let's walk around with Ralph again. We're walking around beautiful downtown Lake Arthur today. Uh, we're standing here in front of the Ozark Monument, Ozark Trail Monument. They used to be scattered all up and down the Ozark Trail. Several towns had them. Lake Arthur is one of the few places that still has it. We're going to do a zoom out and some other things around to get a better view of this and walk around the town in general here in a little bit. So hang with us to the end, and thank you so much. Like and subscribe, and hit the notification button so you get all of our future videos. Thank you much. I got Gertrude doing camera duties today, and she's been doing pretty good. I'll be back here in a bit. Okie dokie, we got a little bit of wind, but Gertrude's going to try a 30-foot zoom out here in front of this Ozark Trail Monument in Lake Arthur, New Mexico. Walk around with Ralph. Please watch our video to the end, and like and subscribe, and come back again often. Come here, Gertrude. Gertrude on a 20-foot orbit here around this Ozark Trail Monument here in beautiful downtown Lake Arthur, New Mexico. You're the walk around with Ralph. We're trying to cover even the smaller towns like Lake Arthur that's only got a population of under 600 people or so. It's a beautiful little town, though. Be sure to like and subscribe our videos. I believe the way the pop-ups are, you can subscribe over here and go to one of my other videos over here. We'll see how it works. Gertrude's my camera crew today. She's been doing a wonderful job. I can hear her starting her transition back down now. Hopefully we'll miss everything, including the monument. Come on back down, girl. Now she's coming. Okay, Gertrude's going to do a 30-foot zoom out here in front of the beautiful downtown town hall of Lake Arthur, New Mexico. A big whopping population of just under 600 people, I do believe. We're going to go over the old school. It's a historical place. Check it out. Come here, Gertrude. Hello. This is Walk Around with Ralph again. We're here in beautiful downtown Lake Arthur in front of their historical old school. It's been around since the early 1900s. Still has the original bell tower and the whole 9 yards. The bell still rings sometimes. Anyway, big population of about 600 or less here. It's a beautiful little place. We've done walk rounds of the town down north and up south, so we didn't want to leave this one out. We're going to get a zoom out so you can get a full scope of this beautiful old school. Got Gertrude doing my camera duties. Please like and subscribe our channel and push that notification button so you know when we're putting up new videos. I think we made it easier to subscribe by putting a button up over here and another video over here, but we'll find out. Come here, Gertrude. She's going to go up and do a 50-foot bird eye. Hopefully I can get that old historical bell tower in here at the beautiful Lake Arthur Old School. Very historical spot. Been around since the early 1900s. They've added on quite a bit to the original school building, though. So it's been kind of an interesting trip here lately. Okie dokie, Gertrude's going to do us another 30-foot zoom out in this nice 104-degree weather. Hope we get the bell tower in the background from the old historical school here in beautiful downtown Lake Arthur, New Mexico. Walk around with Ralph. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Come on back here.